मनरेगा के नाम बदलने पर कांग्रेस सांसद शशि थरूर ने कहा, हम इस पर कई कारणों से असंतुष्ट हैं। इससे पूरे महात्मा गांधी ग्रामीण रोजगार कार्यक्रमों का मूल उद्देश्य ही समाप्त हो जाता है।
Constitution recognizes all Indian citizens of every religion as equal, having the same rights and the same blessings. And to be honest, a reiteration at the highest levels of our country of this message is always welcome, because Vice President took care to speak against those who would divide, who would promote hatred and so on. And I think it's important for us to understand that the ethos of this country is an inclusive ethos. We are all about inclusive India. And that's the spirit in which I have come as an MP to listen to this message. And I think today, seeing the diversity, the bishops and archbishops and cardinals from all over the country, it's a reminder that Christianity has wide roots in our country also, and that India embraces them and has done so from the beginning of the Christian era. So it's a very important thing. No, we are unhappy about that for various reasons. It really takes out the heart of the entire Mahatma Gandhi Rural Employment Program. Sorry, as you know, we had to walk out. It was not possible to hear that speech. I won't comment.